foodie. I love her.
How's the lunch?
10 out of 10.
Best chicken wings I had my entire life.
Alyssa has a surprise for us. We don't know him.
So yeah, that's why.
Our morning walk.
Yes.
Okay.
We're finally here at Grand Central. Literally ran.
God, I don't think I've ever been inside Grand Central Station.
There's the other two. We finally made it. Literally just in time. It's moving.
We just said that.
No, I got a cheeseburger with some crispy sweet potato fries.
I have an omelet,
Yes.
home fries,
Yes.
and a turkey.
I have Belgian waffles with strawberry topping, 2 eggs sunny side up, and some slices of bacon.
I have meatloaf with yams, collard green, and mac and cheese.
We saw someone else order the wings.
I got a
And
diagnosis.
we're like, we have to order it. We
Let's
took
roll.
theirs already. And this is ours. How's the lunch?
10 out of 10.
Best chicken wings I had my entire life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the first thing we did, and I will say success.
Actually, it was actually quite delicious. Actually.
Actually. So we're waiting for our Uber to take us to our hotel so we can check in. And look at them. Okay. Already.
Wait.
Alyssa has a surprise for us. What's the surprise?
Put it in front of me.
Alright, turn on mobiles! Oh! Alyssa, what are you trying to do? Bayesian biscuits, Bayesian soda, Bayesian rum punch.
Girl. Okay.
I was on the money.
Yeah, you were.
This is our surprise.
Bayesian rum punch. Ready to drink, just add ice.
Look at this idiot.
Wait, hold on, wait.
We don't know him.
Wait.
Okay. It's dinner time, but we're too early / full from lunch. So we're killing time here. We are getting panang curry with shrimp, and then we're gonna get stir-fried beef with Thai basil, as well as some drunken noodle with chicken.
Person.
So yeah, that's why I like to do it at the end.
And I think Aang would say this one.
We're back to the date.
Good morning. Last night after dinner, we came back, watched a movie, couldn't get a single sleep because they kept screaming the whole time. Woke up a little late. We were supposed to go hiking, but we ended up waking at like almost 9 o'clock. That's when Dell came, and then we got breakfast. So we went to the gym.
Yes.
And now we are going on a little walk. So yay. It's not a hike, but still something. I'll take it. Morning walk after breakfast.
After me and Sophia the Mac worked out.
Oh.
Yeah, they did too. They just joined us after.
Yeah.
You couldn't catch it on camera because they're just
Whoa.
they were just that
They're so
fast.
quick.
Let's jump in.
Who can swim? I can swim.
Del, go first.
I can survive.
Del, run. Jump in.
damn buffet, man. It's only $14 per person.
Imagine it was spring.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the old way. I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you. 'Cause I'm there for you too.
Alright, well, we had to come back because this time we have and what? Where do we come back to? Oh, sugar. This right here, we came to Big Mouth.
One, two, three, cheers.
Oh, cheers. We're at Glazed Over Donut. We decided to get 6 donuts.
Chocolate spread? Or no,
One
butter.
is the donut of the day, and all of these are custom made by all of us each individually. So we're gonna get all 6 and rate which one is the best. Bam. Glasses flip over. Comes here to cool down. And back there, they do all the design. Whoa. Do you remember which one is which? That's the seasonal. This is Matt's. This is Belle's. Mine.
This is the
Trevor.
Oh, Trevor.
And this one was Alyssa's. Ready?
Oh, I'm gonna like this one.
Wait.
Oh, this is. Ready?
Cheers.
Go. 2, 3. This is my last one because I don't want to eat that because that has bacon. Ready? Set. Go. I got really busy.
This one. Because I'm excited for the bacon donut combo because we're in bacon.
I am not excited. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of combining savory and sweet together.
People do it.
People do, but I'm not a fan of
It's
it.
gonna be my first time trying it.
Okay, mine. I like mine. I like my Oreo one, and Alyssa's was next for me.
The bacon is the best one. Yours comes next.
It's a tie. It's a toss-up. It's a tie between bacon and the hazelnut.
So between hers and mine.
But bacon is
Number 1.
Bacon is good. Unexpectedly, that's why.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Chocolate cinnamon sugar is my favorite.
Who's that? Say the names. It's Alyssa's.
Number 2,
Yeah, number 1 and 2.
bacon.
Okay.
It's a tie between mine and Sophie's. And underneath that directly is. No, I like the peanut butter one.
Peanut butter
That
was good too. I forgot about the peanut butter one.
Overall,
This is history.
Sake.
6 good donuts. Well, season of the day was kind of.
let me see. Wait, this looks fun.
Right? What is that?
Oh, it's just probably just a foil is like
Foil?
that. He's in his element. Nobody bother him.
I think only 175, which I feel like is maybe a little on the expensive side, but like it's like I think it's a good deal. I think it's a good deal. Like $2. Like,
Is he convincing himself or is he convincing us?
Yes. I love chocolate.
So we're gonna come in here. And you know why I like this place? And for me, oh, why thank you. Which one? Wow.
No, but have you had ricotta and jam before?
No.
Pretty good. It's cheese.
Yeah, I like ricotta.
It looks like buttercream sauce.
Oh, that smells good.
Are you excited for it?
Yeah.
Good, because you gotta eat all of it.
I got tummy ache. I'm just a boy. I can't eat all this.
I think the
Oh.
avocado toast would have slapped.
I know. I'm looking at it now.
Your reaction will decide if I want to take a bite or not. Be genuine, don't lie.
The bread is good.
The bread is
The bread, where is the bread?
And it's not that sweet. I love ricotta. I don't even know.
No.
I love
Where's the bread?
ricotta. The bread is really good. I kind of just want the bread on top.
It's not bad.
Here, this part is the best part right here.
It's okay.
No, pondering. You're pondering. I think it's like a... And then wait, and then I'll do a... Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Look, we passed by this store, and this is the book by the window. How cute. So much better during daylight. And then we're gonna have dinner there, so we'll be able to see the waterfall. I can't cheers because I have water. He said it's bad luck.
Bad luck. Trust me. Bad karma. You do have a bright flash.
Should taste good.
Your fries? And I want no flash.
Wow.
Cheers.
Long now, I guarantee. Day number 23. Day number.
It's our last day, so of course I had to come back. So these are for the family. I just got 6. Here's the reveal. Oh my god. Wow. Probably can't hear